keeps focusing on the screen.
It's got a nice kind of radiation effect to it, though.
So if I get it close enough, it'll ignore the screen. That was the previous stuff,
Yeah.
right? Okay, I'm gonna jump like really violently when it
What if it doesn't?
Was that it?
I don't think so.
I think it jumped a little bit.
It's starting to sweat. That can't be good.
I don't know, I think it might do a slow release kind of thing.
I think the shell might actually hold it together.
No, I think the shell's strength lies in pressures from the outside, not the inside. Otherwise chickens would have problems hatching.
Man, it's really starting to sweat.
You better do something soon, because...
Yeah, it better, or else I'm gonna have to get it out of there somehow.
Yeah, well... Whoa! Just blow up the microphone.